Hello, this is Brian down at Crossroads Pawn Shop. Just checking our package that we just received back from an eBay buyer. It's packed in the same box we sent it out in, which is, as expected, pretty usual from eBay customers. But, you know, this is all torn, and the box is just, you know, there's not really any tape on this side of the box. The tape's halfway down the box. I mean, just, you know, so we can see that the box is okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up.
I have it right here. Okay, so this one's gonna be $46 to pick up. Thank you. If I could just get your signature and it's on that signature. 2045 6.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, it's kind of got padding in there. There's a lot of room for this sucker to move around in, so let's see if it's even. I don't know.
I'll be right back with this one, okay?
They just poorly kind of packed it in there with the bubble wrap, so yeah, there's a ton of wiggle space. I'm sure this could move throughout the box like a lot, so I mean, we'll see what happens.